What's up? Thomas from Flint here. This is today's project. We are working in a basement that had a flood, so they had to cut out a few spots. So today we're going to get all this board hung and then get it all taped in. There's like a little bit in each room. This is a pretty big basement. Got like a cool little party area over here. Just had a flood, so kind of had to tear up their whole basement. So we'll get all the board on today, get that all taken care of, get it looking nice. And then tomorrow we'll finish all the mudding.